Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off notifications on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on System section right away. Following that, click on Notifications and click on this switcher next to Notifications to switch them off or on. You can also click on this icon next to the switcher and tap on the blue squares next to one of those options to disable them, or tap on the white squares to switch them on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!